Hi, I'm Associate Professor Dr. Junaidi bin Abdullah, currently the Dean of Faculty of Computing Informatics in Cyberjaya.
Okay, Dr. Junaidi, if you can share with us the programs offered by the Faculty of Computing and Informatics, and how are your programs offered by your faculty, wow, compared to the others who are also offering the same thing?
Okay. The Faculty of Computing and Informatics is the faculty that has established since the year 2000. And from that year, we started with Faculty of IT, and then later in 2012, we changed the name into Faculty of Computing and Informatics to reflect the trend in ICT, in which people are moving from IT into computer science. Um, in terms of program that we offer in the faculty, we offer various programs ranging from foundation in IT, and then we have diploma in IT. And from those entry level programs, then student will be able to progress into our bachelor degree program, Bachelor of IT and also Bachelor of Computer Science. Then on top of that, of course, we also have postgraduate programs, Master by coursework, Master in Computer Science. Currently, we are focusing on ODL mode. And then we do also have Master in Computing as well as PhD in Computing for research mode. Now, let us a little bit zoom into various programs that we have in the faculty, especially in our foundation in IT. In foundation in computing. So in foundation in computing, what makes our program differ from the one that is offered in other institutions is that we focus to build our student in their problem solving skills. So when we teach programming language, we don't really just teach how can they program in C++ and so on, but we are going to more focus on teaching them how to solve certain problems using C++, for example, or how to solve problems using Java. So more focus will be on the problem solving skills rather than just programming language itself. As you all know, the resource will be out there. Student can actually find many resources from YouTube, Udemy, and so on, just to learn programming language. But then to learn problem solvings, we need to have a mentor. We need to have a good academic staff which can actually guide you along the way, step by step. So I think this is one of our strength in foundation in IT. Now, moving on towards our diploma in IT, um, um, the good thing about our diploma in IT is that number one is the duration. If you check our duration for diploma in IT, we have a 2-year program designed specifically for our diploma, and it is just enough for them to master many subjects in IT. And then one good thing also for those who are taking diploma in IT in our faculty is that once they have graduated, they are able to continue directly into second year for our bachelor degree program. So those entering diploma in FCI, we can say that the total years of study will be 4 years. Okay, so by having this kind of model, student will be saving 1 year in their degree program. So this will somehow give opportunity to our students to basically try to complete everything in a very fast manner. So I think this is something that I think the public has to grab this opportunity. And then, in fact, in some other institution, I can say that The diploma program is even more than 2 years, and the degree itself is also more than 3 years. But in MMU, you can actually finish everything within 4 years. I think this is one of our strength point. Moving on to our bachelor degree program. As you all know, as I mentioned earlier, our bachelor program only consists of two programs, which is Bachelor of IT and also Bachelor of Computer Science. Then one might ask, why only two? Why not more than two? Our philosophy, we believe that it is important when we design courses, when design programs, we need to make sure that it is evergreen. So we believe that these two programs, Bachelor of IT and also Bachelor of Computer Science, are the two programs that will survive maybe in the next 5 and 10 years, because we have the responsibility in which we need to make sure our students are always relevant to the industry. Hence, we maintain this Bachelor of IT and also Bachelor of Computer Science. Now, what we did, maybe someone will ask, what about the current trend, so on and so forth. So what we did here, we maintain Bachelor of IT, Bachelor of Computer Science, but we add flavors to our program. Currently, for Bachelor of IT, we have what we call as one specialization, which is Information System. And then for Bachelor of Computer Science, we have 4 different specialization, which is Software Engineering. Okay, number 1 is Software Engineering. Why Software Engineering? Is because everything needs software. All right. Our focus when we say computer science, definitely we are talking about software. So student will have the opportunity to learn everything about software, right from requirements, design, coding, so on and so forth, until testing and maintenance. And then, of course, data science, we are talking about data. Now everything is about data. Even when AI comes, AI also needs data. We are talking about machine learning, so on and so forth. So we think that data science is the way to go, in which we are preparing our students. Hey, let's say you get some data, then how are you going to extract meaningful data from that meaningful information from that data, in order to be able to make decision, to make prediction, make more profit, maybe reduce more costs, so on and so forth. So I think this is our the strength of our specialization. Next one will be cybersecurity. Of course, when you are being connected to the internet, definitely there will be dangerous thing that is coming to your system, to your network, to your data. Data can be leaked. So cybersecurity is something that can guard those from happening. And then game development. Game development is something that is our niche. We have been offering this program since the year 2001. Previously, it was known as Bachelor of Multimedia Software Engineering and Game Design. And then we changed the model so that this game development will become one of the flavor for the computer science. So I think that would be things that I would like to share, at least for the academic program under FCI.
Okay, if you now could share the industries that are involved with the Faculty of Computing and Informatics.
Okay. At the faculty, we have one program called Industry in Campus. So under this program, we invite industries to setting up their lab in the faculty. One of the reason why is that we want to have closer collaboration with the industry in such a way that we can get our students to do internship in the industry or in the company, and then we can also have short attachment of the students, and then we can get also real life problems coming from the company to be part as part of the students' assignment and also student projects. So some of the industry who have already been in the faculty since I think the year 2015 is the Vitrox Corporation. They have already setting up a vision lab focusing on visual computing projects involving image and video. Apart from Vitrox, we also have one lab sponsored by MDEC. I think this lab is basically to provide a training platform to the public and also the community, focusing on big data and blockchain technologies. And apart from this, we do also have INCA. So INCA is a company that focusing on health informatics. It is very beneficial for our program, especially for data science specialization. And we do also have students doing projects inside the lab. So these are the three industry on campus, at least under FCI. And of course, apart from these three, we do also have various collaborations ranging from embedding certification modules in subjects, internship, iCadet, so on and so forth.
Thank you very much. If you could now share some of your notable alumni, those who have graduated and are well known in the industry.
All right. FCI, I don't think there will be a problem in terms of graduate employability. Just to share with the public that in 2023, based on graduate tracer study, we managed to get 99% of the graduate employed once they have graduated. I just would like to share some of the alumni graduated from FCI. This is Tan Zi Wei, who is currently the CEO or co-founder of Dream3 Games. It's a game company who has received many international awards for the game that has been produced by the company. So Tan Zi Wei is a class of 2015. Next is Dr. Behrang. Okay, he is an Iranian student. It was one of my students in programming fundamentals, and now leading Chamrun Digital Group as Group CEO, focusing on e-commerce industry. And we do also have Ms. Lavanya Kathiresan, who is currently the Senior Director of Engineer at Nintex, class of 2006. She was graduated from BIT program. Yeah.
All right. So those are the notable alumni. Maybe now, if you can share the career prospect. I know people would say, like, if you do IT, computer science now, you can easily get a job. But what are the various prospect in terms of building career in this field?
Okay, in terms of job prospect, I would say that as of now, based on record, we can say that FCI graduate did not have any problem in terms of getting jobs. But based on specialization, what I can say that those specialized in computer science, software engineering specialization, they are more towards becoming software developers. They are going to work in various software companies, building apps. We do have alumni working as a software developer for Foodpanda and also Grab. So when I met them, I feel proud that this is the product of FCI and also MMU. Talking about data science, Of course, your job prospect would be data scientist. To become data scientist, I think now this is becoming something that is sought after by the company, especially in finance, in business company, whereby they need data in order to maximize their profit, and they need data in order to minimize their costs. So these are something that is very important, and they are very well paid. Yeah. And when we talk about cybersecurity, of course, your line of work will be around becoming cybersecurity specialist. Um, um, what we can say, cybersecurity specialist, of course, the job is very demanding. You can become something that we call on call, whereby hacking can occur at any time during holidays, especially. So, but if you are passionate about the job and this is something that you are looking for, I think becoming cybersecurity specialist would be the career to go. I mean, you can work in banking, in financial institution where data leakage is almost intolerable, right? And then, of course, software. Okay, of course, game development. Game development is to develop game. You are talking about becoming entrepreneurship normally, because you can easily create, become indie developer, and then post your game in various apps gallery and so on. Of course, you can also opt for working with existing companies, whereby most of our alumni already established game company in which you can just become one of the employee. Of course, if let's say along the way, because game industry is very niche, and suppose you want to work into other domain, in other domain, for example, uh, be be certain that you are able to do so as well, because your bachelor is still in bachelor in computer science, in which if you are not going to specialize in your career in game, for example, you can always being employed in other domain as well. So that's so far.
Okay. Now, for the last segment, it's called Dean Says. This is basically what the
Okay.
Dean would like to say to those who are looking into where to go in pursuing their studies.
Okay, so my message to prospective students, if you are very passionate to innovation and technology, I would recommend Faculty of Computing and Informatics is the place to be. We are here to support you every step of the way, in order to make sure your dream will come true, especially in the era of ICT. Um, so my message to you is continue your passion, and we are here to make sure you can achieve your dream. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dr. Junaidi.